Okay, this is a demonstration on how we're going to approach what we're calling the inflip or blended learning model so that you understand procedure. This is going to be a little bit more self-motivated type work. If you want to work ahead, you'll be able to work ahead, but I do want you to try and to at least stay close to what the required times are. So when you're looking here at this unit plan, this should look pretty familiar. For this first one, I do want you to go to the post quiz to begin with. Let's see what you remember about stoichiometry. And then the SWOBATs are down here in the column on the left-hand side. Now, I have these ordered in a way that I want you to do it. Do the lecture videos. Take notes on the lecture videos, okay? From there, you're just going to move left to right, okay? If there's a guided video, you're going to go ahead and click on that and put the questions and answers in the notes, and then make sure that the teacher initials those notes or initials this in the unit plan. Then, if there is a reinforcing EOL, okay, this also has to be initialed by the teacher when you complete it. So this first one for this unit is the crushed barrel video. And in your notes, you're going to answer in your lab notebook using between 2 to 3 sentences, no more, no less, explain why the barrel caved in. Okay? And then continue on. Once you feel like you have a pretty good handle on the information for this SWOBAT using these notes, you're going to come over here and take the SWOBAT check. When you click on that, it's going to take you to our ProProfs quiz. So it'll look very familiar like what we have done in the past. Here we go. It's coming up here eventually. There we go. So it's going to look like the same thing. The difference is that you have to pass this. You have to get, and my requirement is that it has to be at least an 80%. Okay. Once you have an 80% on the SWOBAT check, you call a teacher over, and I will initial that. Okay. Once it's initialed, you don't have to go back to it. You're still going to fill in the I learned part. The Kahoot would be the review down at the very bottom right before you take the test. So we'll get to that part at a later time. These will be the links for the EOC review questions, and I will have those set up as we progress. Okay, so this is everything we've been doing in class. The only main difference is that you're going to get the lecture notes here. Okay, you get them from me. It's still my video. It's just me. But I'll be in class to help you to understand that, but I'll also be in class to help with the EOLs and even with the SWOBAT checks. Just remember, don't go to SWOBAT B until you've gotten at least an 80% in SWOBAT A. If you didn't understand it, you go back, take some notes, go back, and then re-look at this video, okay? If you still have questions, you just ask the teacher. Pretty straightforward, all right? If you have any questions, let me know.